Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the cash flow planner in QuickBooks Online. This feature allows you to forecast upcoming income and expenses, giving you a clear picture of your business's financial future so you can plan accordingly. First, navigate to the left menu in your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click on Cash Flow. This section is where QuickBooks tracks both your historical cash flow and helps you plan for what's coming next. Once you're in the cash flow area, look at the top of the page where you'll see several tabs. Click on the Planner tab to access the forecasting tool. Now you're ready to start building your cash flow forecast. To manually add a transaction, click Add Item. This opens up a form where you can input either expected income or upcoming expenses. The first decision you'll make is selecting whether this is money in for income or money out for expenses. Choose the option that fits what you're adding. Next, you'll fill in the details of this transaction. Type the transaction name in the name field. This could be something like client payment or office rent. Then enter the amount you expect to receive or pay. After that, select the date when this transaction is scheduled to occur. This date helps QuickBooks plot your cash flow timeline accurately. If this is a recurring transaction, something that happens regularly like monthly rent or weekly payroll, click Repeating. A menu will appear where you can choose how often this transaction repeats, whether it's weekly, monthly, or another interval. This saves you from having to manually enter the same transaction over and over. Once you've entered all the details, click Save to add your transaction to the planner. You'll see it appear on your cash flow forecast, helping you visualize when money will be coming in and going out. Finally, if you want to keep a copy of your cash flow forecast for your records or to share with your accountant or business partners, click the Download Reports drop-down in the Planner section. From here, you can choose to export as CSV if you want to manipulate the data in a spreadsheet or save as PDF for a clean, shareable document. And that's it. You now have a functional cash flow planner that helps you stay ahead of your business finances. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.